Hey guys, welcome back. It's Open Box Brothers. Today we got a really cool challenge. We saw this all over YouTube and we wanted to give it a try. Testing TikTok life hacks, part 1. We're going to try and make a series off this, so leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. So today I think we have 4 different life hacks that we're going to try. I'm super excited. You ready for this? Alright, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so on to the next. Nate, you don't have a coaster, dude. Wait, I have a life hack for that. Alright guys, so our first life hack today is going to involve these cups and Sharpies. Nate, would you grab those?
Cups.
So here's our cups. We're gonna decorate and try and get some designs off this. We've already pre-decorated a little bit. Alright. So this is step 1. Alright guys, so we're going to get a pan, parchment paper, and we're going to put these in the oven 350 degrees for exactly 3 minutes. And let's see what it turns out as.
Okay guys, we just melted our cups.
This is how it turned out as.
Dude, you could use this as like a mini plate, and you can also use it for a coaster. Perfect. Or you could also put it like that.
They said to design the inside or the outside, but we just
You can
tried.
design it however you guys want. You don't have to design it like we did. You guys can design it however you want.
So I give this a success. This was a life hack that worked. Let's move on to the next one.
On to life hack number 2. Let's hack it up.
Alright, so this one involves our salt shaker, our toothpicks, and our 2 forks. So what you do with this one is you get a toothpick.
Okay, I'll get a toothpick too.
Okay, so you want to stick it just like this. What I'm going to do is kind of connect these 2 forks, just like that. Okay. Then you give me this toothpick. And I think it goes somewhere like here. No, wait, how did they do this? Okay, so what you do, guys, we got it to work and we don't want it to mess up because it just looks so like weird. So what you want to do is take 2 forks and you want to combine them. Okay, you want to open them up. Inside here, if you spread them apart, there's a little opening at the top. You just want to stick the toothpick right in, just like this. I'm going to bend the toothpick backwards. And it's just sitting here.
It's literally like gravity's not working.
I'll get an angle from this side, because... Okay guys, so if you see, look, it's not even touching, and it's balancing off the toothpick. Alright guys, so please leave in the comments down below if you know how to do this. Like, it is... Alright guys, life hack number 3. Let's get to it. This one requires a ceramic bowl. I'm going to use the bottom because this doesn't work. It's permanent marker. So I'm going to use a small little square. So you want a permanent marker. There's a little bowl. It's not coming off. So we got a little spot on here. Then you want an expo marker. Okay, and you want to kind of color on top of the Sharpie. Then you want a cloth or a shirt that you can get ruined. Gone. That's any way to remove a Sharpie. It's a life hack. We wanted to try it on our skin because we didn't know if it'd be the same. I actually want to try it. So I'm going to try it on my skin to see if it's the same thing. So I'm going to make a little thing on my hand. And then I'm going to color it with the expo marker. Oh my gosh, it's a big spot. Hopefully it comes off, guys. Okay, so it came off. I think that's the expo spot. But like, that's so weird. Now I know how to get Sharpie off, guys. That's TikTok life hack number 3, guys. Let's get on to the last one. Okay, guys, so the final life hack we got here, you need a glass. You need some baking soda. You need some water. And you need some salt. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is, I'm gonna do this, and then you pour in the salt whenever I say. So we want some baking soda in the bottom of this. Okay, pour your salt. So we want a lot. Okay, it's good. Supposedly this is gonna make ice. This is so dumb. This is not gonna work. I wanna try it though. Good luck.
That is not gonna work.
Give it a second. That's liquid, guys. This TikTok is a fail. That's the 4th life hack. Clearly is liquid.
I don't know how that
It's a
works.
fail.
So there was 1 failure out of 4 and there was 3 successes. If you guys want to see more life hacks, make sure to comment down below and make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that notification so you always know when our next video is.
This was actually one of our most fun videos to make. Alright guys, we're gonna do more life hacks in the future. Part 2 coming to you soon. But that's Open Box Brothers, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye. Get life hacked.